Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show how to crochet a ribbon bow. All the required items will be mentioned in the description box below. Okay, so first of all we are going to use a yarn. You can take any yarn, and here I am using an acrylic yarn. Also with that I am using a 5.5 millimeter hook. You can even use a 3.5 mm hook. So let's get started. First we will need to take out some thread yarn from the yarn ball. Okay, I'll be taking like this, like around 180 to 200 centimeter of yarn, and after this you will make a slip knot, just like how I am showing it in the video. After making the slip knot, you will be having thread on the two sides, one at the right hand side and one at the left hand side. So right hand side will be your working yarn, and on the left hand side you will be having the yarn which is attached to the yarn ball. Okay, now let me show how you have to work with both of these thread. Firstly, wrap your working yarn over your hands as usual you always do with the yarn. Then this next with the yarn which is attached to the ball, wrap it around the hook. Do a yarn over with the working yarn. You will be having 3 loops on the hook and pull the last loop with the other 2 loops. Let me show it once again. Take the yarn over of the yarn attached to the ball and a yarn which is the working yarn, and pull it through the 2 loops. You can see this in the video how I am doing it. Also I will give you a closer look of this to make it more clear and understandable for you guys. You have to keep repeating this process till you get the desired length of your ribbon bow, or till your working yarn gets finished. This is how the ribbon looks right now with 180 to 200 centimeter of yarn. You will get this much long chain. I will make one last loop for this, like how I am doing it in the video, and after this I will close the loop. See, I did the last one, and now to close the loop, take both the yarns together and make a chain with this, as you can see it in the video. Done with making the loop, last loop, and now we will just tighten the loop and we will cut that extra thread with the scissor. If you want, you can take that extra part and put it inside the ribbon only with the darning needles. I prefer to make the last knot and then I will cut the remaining thread. You will see that in the video. That's it. The ribbon is ready. Now you can make a bow with it. You can either give this type of shape and join it with a little bit of thread, or you can even make a direct note by simply moving it in the shape of the ribbon. That's all. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Also, you will get to see the final result at the end of the video. If you like the video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.